Hi, my name's Sean. I'm with Carbon Shaving Co. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to wet shave. Wet shaving's been around for hundreds of years, and we've come a long way from plucking our hairs with seashells to Alexander the Great making his soldiers all shave, to using the old cutthroat, till the invention of the safety razor. When you want to shave is right after a shower. Your skin is soft, your hair is soft, your hair has been lifted, and the first step is pre-shave oil. It'll add nutrients to your skin, but it'll also add a slickness that'll allow less irritation when shaving. And this is prior to actually putting shaving cream on. You want to use warm water, and it takes time to build a lather, but you want a thick, rich lather. Add water if it gets a little light. But use the brush and use this to help lift up the hairs. This will also soften the hairs. If you notice my face here, I'm mapping it and I'm shaving. My first pass is going to be shaved with the grain. Second pass will give you a nice clean shave. In this pass, instead of going with the grain, I'm actually going to shave across the grain. This is the third pass. This is my final pass. This is against the grain. If you have ingrown hairs, this is where you're going to get some irritation. So don't do it if you have that, if you're prone to that, or if you're prone to razor burn. One technique you can use is move your hand against the grain and see where you have the stubble. If you're a little concerned about a 3-pass shave, or do a little touch-ups. There's really an important final step here in terms of the actual shave, and that's a cold water rinse. And you want to do this with actually clean water. That's going to close up your pores and really lock in that shave. The trick about a towel, you don't want to rub. You want to gently pat your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. You finished off with cold water and you really locked in those pores. What you don't want to do now is use an alcohol splash. No alcohol if you got sensitive skin. Really what you want to focus on is a good quality shaving balm. With just a couple of squirts and a little bit of a rub on the hands, you just finish off. This will add great nutrients to the end of your shave. And as a final step, as the top of the icing on your wet shaving experience, consider some aftershave. Here's an alcohol-based aftershave. Here we're using a little bit of Damascus. And I tell you one thing, this will tell you how good of a shave you had. Because if you have razor burn, you'll know real quick. Hey, enjoy. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to give you more tips. Thanks and have a great day.